Hello guys and welcome back again by today's new crypto daily update video, and in today's video we're gonna discuss all these charts because we have seen some pretty exciting things in the market right now, and we are on the edge of a breakout and a massive setup is forming right now. So please make sure to keep watching and let's dive right away into the charts right now, because we're literally on the last line of defense of the bears right here. So this is literally the last line of big resistance, this downward sloping resistance trend line here. And we are currently testing it, but we are not really rejecting it. So what are we doing right now? We're just consolidating around that line, which is a pretty good signal. Of course, we see some downward candles, but it's literally a very good sign that we will see that we not dump right away from of this level. Also, we are creating a CME gap, of course. So I'm really interested to see what price will do. If we close the CME gap, we can clearly go towards the upside here. But this resistance line is literally the last line of defense from bears, because every time we touch this line here, we saw a move towards the downside. And if we break it towards the upside, this is also a major trade setup that you could take. And this is the trade setup you want to take like this. So we break it towards the upside and you can easily trade this one to new all-time highs. So with your stop round here, if we see a clear breakout towards the upside, a clean retest here, that's exactly where I want to be opening a new position here. And please make sure to follow me over on X here. Let me check this over on X here, because if we break out towards the upside, I'm posting about it right away, so you will never miss a move again. And I'm literally posting setups over there so you could make a lot of money. So this is where I am looking for right now. Of course, it's Sunday, so the volatility is not that much, but if we see this move on Monday, it will be a very interesting one. Then also some advanced charts here, and that's about the liquidity that we're stacking. We saw the move towards a new all-time high here, which was pretty fine, but what did we saw? We saw much liquidity stacking below the move that brought us that new all-time high here. And what you usually want to do is you want to take out those people, because here all the people were long and made profit all the way up towards the new all-time high, but they were still in their positions, and that's exactly what you don't want in the market. So you want to take them out, and that's exactly what we did here. We took all the people out there that were in a long position in this whole area, and that's exactly what you want to be seeing. So no longer are people long in this move. We literally took them out, and now the next move is probably gonna be up here because no one is long yet, and that's exactly what the markets want. So I'm planning to open up a long here anytime soon if we see the coincidence here. And yeah, I will keep you updated over that one, because I literally think that I can ride that trade to 120k here, because I think if we break new all-time highs here, we will bump right away to 120k. So I'm pretty excited to see what will happen over there, and yeah, and I hope I can manage to get in a trade anytime soon here. Then also structure-wise, we talked about this yesterday, but I draw this blue zone here yesterday in a video, and that's exactly where we found some resistance right now here, because this is the zone you want to break to see more momentum towards the upside, because you're making new higher high then. So this is also an important zone to look out for resistance, what we are seeing right now, but also for a new market structure zone here. So that's why I draw this line, and you see it's exactly holding towards it right now. So I'm really excited to see if we can see a breakout here, and yeah, if we do see so, then it means that we are breaking structure towards the upside, which means we are in an uptrend again, and that's exactly what you want. Also, with the coincidence of other charts here, I think it's a really good place to look for longs if we break it towards the upside. So that's pretty exciting to see. And also we talked about the liquidity yesterday, and we took out a big amount of liquidity here. We have also some liquidity towards the upside and a little bit creating towards the downside, but it's not that big. So yeah, for me it's just a clear zone right now. We took out the most of the liquidity here. Maybe we could pump towards this this level to take the other people out, but it's not that much. So I'm not really hyped about this chart. Of course, throughout the day, much liquidity can be stacked above or below. Also, I will keep an eye on that one as well. And then if we look here, the charts, which is a really good signal, because every time we are seeing this, the price spikes towards the upside. And that is that the funded rates are negative again. I posted about this over on my X page, and that means that most of the people in the markets are short. And funding rates, literally, if they are negative, they give you money to be in a long position because everyone is short and they want to be the opposite, and they reward people that do the opposite of the market. So this usually means that you get money when you're in long trades. So that's free money, but this also is a very good indicator to see what people are doing in the market. And returned red, so that means that most of the people were short in the market. And I've been discussing this a lot here. If everyone is short in the market, we will probably go the other side around, because not everyone can win in the markets here. So if everyone is short, price goes down, everyone wins. That's not what the market wants. So we probably will pump, and this funded rates will turn positive again, and then we need to pay towards exchanges. But it's a very good signal. Every time we were in red, we saw a surge towards the upside here. So that's pretty good to see, and I think we will see that this time also. So pretty good to see here. Also, if you look at the total market cap, it looks pretty exciting in my opinion, because I've been drawing this support line for a week right now, and we are currently holding towards this pretty strong. And also we have some top side resistance here, but we have much room towards it, and we have some lower side support here, and we are supporting on it right now. So this is a pretty good sign, and I really think structure-wise and support that we are holding right now and the setups that we are creating, I think it's a pretty exciting chart to look for, and I think we will surge towards new all-time highs here anytime soon, because it's only a 50% pump, and I literally expect that we will do that in the upcoming weeks here. So yeah, please make sure to keep an eye on that one as well, because it just looks very bullish. Also, after this consolidation or cool down phase towards the downside, we're still looking that bullish, because this is very healthy in the market. But use this drop as an opportunity to trade it towards the upside, and not new highs again, then you're too late. So that's not what you want here. Then also, this is the MicroStrategy Bitcoin holdings chart and purchase history, and we can see that he literally, Michael Saylor, went nuts here in the last months, but they hold 2.8% approximately of the whole Bitcoin supply, and the last 1% has been bought in the last 7 months. So MicroStrategy and Michael Saylor scooped up 1% of the whole supply of Bitcoin here in the last 7 months. So that's so bullish, because yeah, the supply is shrinking, they don't sell. So that means that 2.8% of the whole supply now is being locked, and that means that that is approximately 580,000 Bitcoin, who's never gonna be in the market again. So that means that the supply shock is gonna be so massive here. So this is a pretty exciting chart to look for. And then that was it for today's video. Please make sure to follow me right over on YouTube here, subscribe on my channel, and put the like button on, because I'm posting here daily updates every single day. And like today, I'm literally posting setups here, so you can literally trade with me, which is a pretty excited thing. And also, if you want updates throughout the day, never miss a move again, etc., please make sure to follow me over on X, because I'm posting throughout the day, and I'm literally posting when I'm opening the real positions here, because not all the things will come in the daily update video. So please make sure to follow me over on those socials, and then I will see you tomorrow by a new Crypto Daily Update video.